Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Emily. In this video I will share a new collection from Spellbinders. This is called Autumn Archives by Kelly Banks, and the first one I shared with you was the documenting labels, and this is the falling leaves die. So cute die sets, and they are perfect for documenting your fall adventures. I will be creating a card today, so I started off by taking my dies and running them through a couple of times in different colors just to get a variety of colors for my leaves. And I try to imagine what colors are you supposed to find in the leaves in the autumn, and then I went from there. So you can see here how cute they turn out when I'm just ink blending them a little bit to get that contrast going. Really sweet. And there is some acorn in this set as well, so I did the same thing just to tie it in and give them some more dimension and really bring them to life as well. When I was done with that, you can see a pile up to the left, and here you can see I just cut the middle part of your leaves. I can't remember for the life of me what that part is called in English. So if you know what that part is called in English, please leave a comment down below so I can learn some more today. That would be really nice. But you can see I cut it out of some gold mirror cardstock. I think that is really nice, and I think that is giving the perfect sort of glammy look for my leaves. And this took me a while to do this, but it was quite nice as well. I like gluing stuff together like this. And it goes really fast when I'm doing it like one pile at a time. So that is just my method to this. And when I was finished with the leaves, of course I had to do the acorns. You can see how cute they are with the gold hats or gold tops. You can see I took some dimension as well just to give them that little extra pop. And then comes the fun part. It's time to lay all of my pieces out and see where everything is going to go. So I sped it up quite a lot. I wanted to create a wreath. So you can see here I'm alternating the leaves and the colors of the leaves just to get that really fun effect. So cute. And when I had a nice position for everything, I will actually use some press and seal just to keep everything together when I'm attaching some some foam tape to the back of all of that. And then I can easily lift this as one piece. You can see how I'm just pressing with my fingers to attach all of the leaves. You can also use some low-tack adhesive to keep them together if you have that in your stash, or maybe some masking paper or something like that. I have a cream colored cardstock here that I actually splatter with some black ink. After taking my foam to the back, I can reattach this to my card base and then press it down, and then we can start playing around with the sentiment for this card. I went with one of those labels that said fall, and I decided to have gold and then some cream colored cardstock on top, and then some acorns that will be sort of attaching this all together. So super cute. I'm raising one of them up here and then one on top of the label. So cute. I love how this card turned out. And since I had so many leaves left, I decided to go ahead and create a second card. And you can see for this one I'm backing some black paper with some gold mirror cardstock, and we will have a sentiment that says Cozy Autumn. So cute. And then I splattered some coral colored cardstock, and then we'll have a white card base. Really nice. And then I clustered my leaves around the acorns so I could easily move them as one piece. And then I will attach them around my sentiment. I love when you are creating backgrounds like this and just cluster pieces together and move them around. It really gives a background pattern that is three-dimensional, which I really like. So I hope this inspired you to use your die cuts in some new ways and maybe cluster them together, because that is a really nice way of using them. You can see I have some left here and I didn't know what to do with them. I thought I sort of used them around the sentiment, but I decided to have that green leaf just coming out of that larger cluster at the top. Super sweet. And of course some dimension. You always need some more dimension. And then when you're happy you can press it all down. So here is our 2 finished projects. I hope you enjoyed these projects and how they came together. I will have links down below for all of the products that I used in this video, and I will soon be back with some more content. Thank you so much for stopping by, and if you'd like to see some more, you can always subscribe to my channel. Bye!